Hello everyone. This is Chandana, third year ECE student. This presentation is on home automation using Arduino and Blink IoT app. And this is table of contents. In this one, topics learned during internship, introduction to home automation, project requirements, C programming, Arduino module, peripherals like softwares required in this in building home automation like Pixim Lab, Arduino IDE, Null Emulator, Blink app, home automation using Arduino and Blink app, project implementation. Then home automation using IoT. Home automation is constructing automation for a domestic mentioned as a sensible home or smart house. In the IoT home automation ecosystem, you can control your devices like fan, light, TV, etc. A domestic automation system can monitor or manage home attributes, outdoor lighting, climate, and enjoyment systems and applications. It is very helpful to control your home devices. In this project, we will automate mainly the three things known as a smart home. Like we will be covering only the three parts like garden lights, controlling garden lights, temperature control system, and a water tank control system in which we are controlling inlet and outlet valves. Then the project requirements are like knowledge in embedded C, Arduino IDE, Pixim simulator, Null emulator, Arduino module, 16 into 2 CLCD display, LM35. This is a analog temperature sensor and LDR sensor to sense the light intensity, pulse width modulator, blink app configuration, and elements of our project, light control, temperature control, and water level control. Then this is the mapping diagram of this project. This is think like a home, and this is a Pixin a simulator, and this is Ethernet, and this is a Blink Cloud, and this is a mobile app which is Blink app. By using Blink app, we can control the turning on and turning off some systems. Uh, this information will be sent to the cloud, and then this will be sent to the Ethernet, and which is connected to the Piscin lab. Here we are using Arduino Uno. Then this information will be sent to our um, and by this information we can control systems in our home. Then in this internship, we learned about programming foundations like C and C++. And this one, we learned core C programming, data types, number systems, operators, arrays, functions, and modularity, pointers and memory management, storage classes, and preprocessor directives. Object-oriented C++, we learned classes, objects, and constructors and destructors, inheritance and polymorphism, encapsulation and abstraction, a foundation for embedded systems design. Then this is the board of Arduino Uno. What is Arduino Uno? Arduino is it is a microcontroller development board based on 8-bit Atmega 328P microcontroller. Along with Atmega 328P microcontroller IC, it consists other components such as crystal oscillator, serial communication, voltage regulator, etc. It supports the many other components also. This here it is the analog pins and it is the uh, digital pins. This is Atmega 328P microcontroller, and this is the Arduino Uno board. Then here we are not physically implementing the project, but we are using a simulator called Pixim Lab and Arduino IDE and Blink app to implement this. Like Piskin Lab is a real-time emulator of development boards with integrated MPLab X debugger. Pixim Lab has integration with MPLab X IDE for programming the board's microcontrollers, as the purpose of Pixin Lab is to emulate real software. It does not have any source code editing support. For editing and debugging, we have to use MB Lab IDE tool. Like then the peripherals required for the project are as follows, like LDR sensors and LEDs. Then to read the sensor values and based on the reading, vary the brightness of the LED. Like we are representing LED as garden lights and temperature system, um, and it consists of heater, cooler, LM35. We can read the temperature from the temperature sensor, serial tank. We can read the volume of the water in the tank through the serial tank, serial communication. Then this is the output screenshot of our project. Like this is a water tank. When the water tank is being filling, this is the this is the inlet and this is the outlet. Here it is a port where we can connect this to the Arduino. And this is the components of our home automation project. This is a cooler and heater. This is the Ethernet, and this is the LEDs which represents here as a garden lights. And this is the LDR sensor, and this is a CLCD display. It has two rows. In this one, it here it represents the temperature of which is read by the temperature sensor. uh, then this is the water tank. Here it is a blink app which is used in our home automation system, which is used to turn on and turn off the cooler, heater, and inlet and outlet valves. This is tab 1, which is used to turn on and turn off the cooler and the heater. It will show the range of the temperature, and it is also displayed here. And tab 2 is used to turn on and turn off the inlet and outlet valves. Thank you.